can help you. Yeah, you can put a little.
Welcome to this episode of What Do You Want to Cook?
Good.
We're back in Siem Reap to help create a cooking class business within this Cambodian NGO. We have the director of Spoons that's joining us today. We have the deputy director that's joining us today. What are people looking for when they're going on a trip to a place like Cambodia? First thing we're doing, we're gonna meet at Spoons. The instructor, his name is Kosal. We're gonna walk through the market and then we're gonna head back to the new Culinary Arts Center at Spoons. What do you want to cook, right? What is a dish that is important to them?
Now we're going to make Amok fish.
Spreading the knowledge of culture and food. So thank you for joining us, and let's get started. Before you can cook authentic Khmer food, you have to understand where it starts. Kosal leads us right into the heart of Siem Reap's local market. For this class to work for future travelers, the market tour isn't just about shopping. It's about learning how to identify the aromatics that define fish amok: fresh kaffir lime, lemongrass, and galangal.
Taken from the fresh water.
Next up is the fish itself, sourced fresh from the tunnel sap. But navigating the fish stalls is also a lesson in Cambodian food culture. While fish amok requires fresh catch, a lack of refrigeration across the country made fermentation an essential tradition for iconic dishes like Nam Ban Chak. Kosal explains how necessity shaped Khmer cuisine.
Many kind of fish they get from the Tonle Sap. In the Cambodia, long ago, but they don't have the fridge. And then they get the fish, fillet the fish, and then they put salt to keep long.
This is Kosal's test run at leading the full guest experience, gauging the timing, the questions, and the energy before taking it live to the public. With a few market snacks in hand to hold us over, we make our way back to Spoons. Kosal already has all of our fresh ingredients prepped and ready in the Culinary Arts Center. Now it's time to step into the kitchen and get to work. Stepping into the new Culinary Arts Center, the test run officially begins.
Now we're going to make Amok fish.
The backbone of authentic fish amok starts with one essential element: Kroeung, Cambodia's foundational curry spice paste. We start by gathering our fresh ingredients at each station. Before anything touches the mortar, the knife work has to be precise. Kosal guides everyone through finely slicing the fibrous lemongrass stalks, fresh galangal, turmeric, garlic, and kaffir lime leaves so the raw aromatics break down smoothly. There are no shortcuts or food processors here. Tradition demands a stone mortar and pestle. Crushing the fibers by hand releases the essential oils, transforming fresh roots and citrus into a rich, golden curry paste that carries the entire dish.
What were you saying that it reminds you of your childhood? Is
I
it?
very miss my mom. Yes, when my mom is make my food for me, and then every evening, every morning, she will put when she make the Nam Ban Chak, she will make the Kroeung, and then I hear that sound like pung 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 pung, and I feel like, but I not get up yet. Now
For Kosal, that sound isn't just technique, it's the heartbeat of home. With our curry paste pounded smooth and the room grounded in memory, the foundation is set. Now we bring in the fresh fish, rich coconut cream, and begin assembling the amok.
Let's go. Now we are going to cook Amok fish. All the ingredients there. Okay, we have tofu amok, we have fish amok. Okay, now let's go to cook.
With the prep complete, Kosal walks everyone through building the dish right in the pan. We start with hot oil,
Vegetable oil.
frying the freshly pounded kroeung to release that deep, fragrant aromatics. Next, the fresh fish hits the pan, searing directly in the paste so every piece absorbs that concentrated spice blend, with one station easily adapting the dish using tofu. Kosal floats between the burners, guiding everyone as they try their hand.
And then you put the top, all the coconut.
Once the protein is coated, rich coconut cream gets poured in with a quick splash of water to loosen the sauce.
Put the seasoning like salt, a little bit. Yeah. And the white sugar you can do a little bit. Yeah.
Kosal finishes it with a pinch of salt and a little sugar to balance the heat, letting everything simmer into a silky, golden curry. As the sauce reduces and coats the fish, the flavors lock in, ready for the final garnish and the ultimate taste test.
The fish very cold.
Really good.
Yeah, right.
With the curry reduced to perfection, it's time to plate. The fish amok is spooned directly into bamboo, topped with a drizzle of coconut cream, fresh basil, and a hand-carved carrot flour. With the cooking done, it's time for the real test of the day. Kosal turns to the guests to get direct feedback, gauging the pacing, the instruction, and how to make this class unforgettable for future travelers.
How's about the Amok fish? What do you think you want to cook for your family in Australia?
Yeah, I think it's something, a dish I can definitely take back home. I can know how to prepare the spice now, make the paste, I know the steps to go through it. And I think, yeah, I can take this home and cook for my family.
Oh, yes. That's good.
Yeah. I think learning how to blend those spices together and to use the right amounts and not overpower too much with one particular spice. So just the whole balance of putting those spices together to get a really tasty dish.
What is your favorite part of cooking class today?
I really enjoyed going to the market and seeing where all the fresh ingredients came from. That was really fun.
And you?
Oh, so many favorite parts. I do not do a lot of cooking at home.
Yeah.
So this was really fun that I feel like I made this and you helped me learn how to make this.
Okay, thank you so much.
This test run was so much more than just a cooking class. It's a powerful step forward in Kosal's journey and a glimpse into how Spoons empowers local youth through culture, food, and hospitality.
Awkward.